Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm in my kitchen and I'm going to show you guys some hacks that have really helped me over the years in achieving an organized kitchen. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and make sure you guys are subscribed to our channel so you don't miss out on any other videos like this. Alright, let's go ahead and get into the tips. Alright you guys, so for the first tip I'm going to show you here is in one of my cabinets. So if you open this up, this is just a little I don't know, it's a divider, and I got it from Walmart, and it works so nice to make sure like your pans are organized. And obviously if you have like a bigger area, you could do 2 of them because I still need a few more spaces, but it really helps to just organize it. So I'll kind of come down here, and so yeah, you're able to just kind of put different pans in there and you can actually see what you have, because that's the biggest problem, is always finding what you need and not knowing what you have. Okay, so my second tip for you guys is if you have the options, like if you have drawers, so my island is all drawers, and so what I did is I used them to store my Tupperware. So it works so nice and it helps to make it really organized. In our old house that we used to have, I didn't have this option, but I just kept it in a cupboard, and that was a disaster because people would just throw stuff in. Where this is neatly organized, you can just pull it out and get whatever you need. So I would definitely recommend doing this. And then also, if you guys didn't catch in our last video, Carly got me hooked on these. It's a Tupperware container from Amazon, and I'll make sure to link them down below. They are so nice. They don't leave marks on the pan, you know, like when sometimes you have spaghetti and it leaves like that orange kind of hue to it. These work so nice, and they come in a variety of different sizes and different packets, so I'll put it down below for you guys. All right, next tip is in the refrigerator. So I just went grocery shopping, so I have a lot of stuff in here, so don't mind that. But it's these little containers. I got them from like actually I think you can get them from Walmart, but I got them from like a local hardware store here. But there's these containers that just help keep everything organized. So in this one I have all of our yogurts and everything, and then you're able to just pull them out quick, and especially if you have kids, these will work really nice and they can see where they are and maybe put them on a shelf where they can reach. And then this one is just a little bit wider, so you're able to fit a few more things in there. So this definitely keeps you organized, and it looks nice too in your refrigerator. Okay, so the next tip I have for you guys is these can organizers. They are both from Walmart. I think they're really reasonable price, anywhere from $5 to $8. And they have, I believe this one, well, they might actually be the same size. And so they have 3 different spots where you can organize your cans, and you can organize them however you want. Like I did all of like the soups and stuff here, and then fruits and vegetables, and then just like a few different like enchilada sauces, refried beans, and then on this side I did like tomato sauces and tomatoes. And it just helps to not only help yourself but also your husband or kids if they're learning how to cook, so they know where everything is. So it works really nice. All right, you guys, and last tip I have for you, so this is kind of a little bit different, is this little cabinet here. So of course not everybody's gonna have this cabinet, but if you are building a home or looking for a home, I just kind of want to show you guys this because it is one of the coolest things we have in our house, and I love it. So if you open it up here, it is actually a spice rack. I really like the way that this works. The only downside is you have to be careful because the last, I think this one is pretty short, so you just have to have like the little ones here, and then you can have like your main ones that you use, so I really like that. And then yeah, as you go down, it just kind of works perfect. All right, so I know everybody is not going to have that type of spice cabinet, so I have 2 other options to show you guys. This first one here is just like a stackable. I think it comes actually with more than just 2, and it fits kind of perfect inside your cabinet. And then what's nice about it is that you're able to see the spices a little bit more, so you can kind of turn it this way, and so then you're able to see all of your spices, and it works really good. The second option is called this mini stack, And I think both of these are from Bed Bath & Beyond, but I'll make sure to link them below. And so what's nice about this one is you can actually fit like 2 little guys right here, and then it also comes down. So if it's on like a high shelf and you can't see, you just pull it down and then you're able to see what all of the spices are. And then it also just fits like a regular size one as well. So those are just 2 other options. Alright you guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video and it gave you some ideas to organize your kitchen. And make sure you guys subscribe down below and we will catch you in the next video. Bye!